Hello, everyone. Welcome or welcome back. This is Margaret's English Camp. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be presenting a lesson for the beginner learner in greetings. So I have modified my speaking levels to accommodate those learners that are beginners so they can follow and learn effectively from this lesson. So thank you again for joining me, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is Margaret's English Camp, changing lives around the globe, helping ESL and ELA students learn, improve, and become fluent in English. Next slide. My lessons are as follows: speaking practice for beginners to advanced, reading, phonics, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, business English, conversational practice, and IELTS exam preparation. Next slide. About the teacher, which is me. My name is Margaret B. Lovick. I have a master's degree in educational leadership. I have a bachelor's degree in business, and I have an associate's degree in computer science. You can contact me two ways in addition to leaving a comment in the comment section to this video. The first way is by sending me an email at margaretsenglishcamp@gmail.com or via Skype at live M Lovick 2664 underscore 1. I also have a 120 hours TOEFL certification. Next slide. Follow me, please, on Facebook at margaret.lovick, on Instagram at ESL Teacher 64, and on Twitter at Lovick 2664. Next slide. I have weekly uploads on Monday and Friday. Next slide. Speaking moderations for beginner learners. In this video, it is tailored specifically for beginner learners, so my speech is going to be very slow. Next slide. Today's lesson, greetings. In this lesson, we will be practicing using greetings such as hello, how are you, good morning, bye. Next slide. Speaking practice 1, featuring Jack and Lisa. Next slide. Saying hello, Jack. Hello, Lisa. Hi. Next slide. Jack, how are you doing? Lisa, I'm fine. How are you? Next slide. Jack, I'm fine too. What's your name? Lisa, my name is Lisa. What's your name? Next slide. Jack, my name is Jack. Lisa, it's nice to meet you, Jack. Next slide. Jack, it's nice to meet you too, Lisa. Have a nice day. Lisa, thank you. Have a nice day too, Jack. Next slide. Jack. Bye, Lisa. Lisa. Bye, Jack. Next slide. Speaking practice 2, featuring Adam and Lexi. Next slide. Adam. Good morning, Lexi. Lexi. Good morning, Adam. Next slide. Adam. How are you doing? Lexi. I'm doing well. And you? Next slide. Adam. I'm doing well too. What are your plans today? Lexi. I'm going to school. What are your plans today? Next slide. Adam. I'm going to school too. Have a fun day at school, Lexi. Lexi. Thank you, Adam. You too. Next slide. Adam. See you later. Bye, Lexi. Lexi. See you later, Adam. Bye. Next slide. Happy speaking. Practice, practice, and practice. You can do this. From Jack, Lisa, Adam, and Lexi. Next slide. Do you have any questions for me? Please leave me a comment with your questions down below in the comments section. Next slide. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Next slide. This is Margaret's English Camp. I hope you had fun learning. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.